All right, let's do it. Let's answer some of your questions. First up, Shannon, for you, it is from Jane in Greenville, South Carolina. What about Bumble? Is it still a good stock to own?
Yes. And if you look at what Whitney Wolfe Herd is trying to do, she is trying to create not a social media platform, not another way to get a date, but she's trying to create a brand to which people are going to have an affinity. And I think that this is an important piece, is that over the next couple of quarters, there could be some pressure on this stock because it's a long duration tech stock. But think about where this is going, because I think Bumble's going to mean a lot more than dating 5 to 10 years from now.
All right. Steve Weiss, to you now from Panama Jack, says, hey, Judge, please ask Weiss if he's sticking with altimeter growth or not. Now that Brad Gerstner, has announced the deal for Grab, I followed him in, and now I need to know if he approves of the proposed merger. What do you tell Panama Jack, Steve Weiss?
I'm telling Panama Jack, you got to stick with it. Brad Gerstner is proven to be one of the top investors of our generation. Look at the performance of his hedge fund, which I have. He's a critical part of the Valley, and I think he's got it. Plus, he's tied in for 3 years, has his own capital in there. So, yes, I am sticking with him.
Yeah, it's Panama Jack, too. I said Panama Jack. I think you can understand why I might have screwed that up. It's Panama Jack. My apologies, Zach, for that. All right,
Judge,
Jason, Brian in Boston, what are your...
You told me to be brief. Yeah. Sorry, I was just going to say, you told me to be brief. I just don't have enough time in the show to correct you all the time. So.
All right. I figured you were going to correct me, so thank you for not doing that on live TV. That's why I did it myself. Okay. All right, Jason, Brian in Boston, your thoughts on the healthcare sector?
Yep. So obviously the healthcare sector hasn't participated like some of the other sectors, but going forward with the economy reopening, I like preventative care. I like elective surgeries. Some of my favorite names here are UNH and Medtronic. So I think it's a buy here for us.
All right, Dr. J, Christine in Carlsbad, California wants to know about Plug Power. Says she bought it at 43. So what do you do now at 25? Should she sell and cut the losses? What do you think? That's a good question.
That is a great question. I am a green energy guy, Judge. So whether it's Carlsbad, California, or Chicago, this is going to be a focus area, especially with the new infrastructure bills coming through. I think you hold on to it at 25. I think Plug goes a lot higher. I'm all about lithium and hydrogen power as well, and I think Plug does a great job. So, yes, I would hold it.
All right. Thank you for that. Thank you for all the questions as well. We'll do final trades next.